Hello, welcome to a CERES brief by Vlahi Systems. Our topic today is live odor complaint investigation. The setting is Woodlands, Texas, and we would like to acknowledge the City of Woodlands Fire Department for permitting the use of their data for our demonstration. CERES is connected to live weather from IBM, refreshing every 10 minutes, and it integrates data from Tier 2 facilities shown here with purple icons, including contact information, response plans and imagery, as well as chemical names and quantities, and automatically generated worst case and alternate case scenarios. CERES also integrates sensitive receptors, for example, schools, hospitals, churches, fire stations, police stations, and the like, city neighborhoods, and emergency response zones. Our scenario begins with a call from a school complaining about a strong odor of bleach from an unknown source. We search for the school location and we move the wind cone there. One click and we switch from the downwind view to an upwind view to identify all the potential emission sources sorted by distance from the caller's location. It's important to note at this stage that the system is not limited to imported facility data from Tier 2, RMP, E2, or Seveso databases. One can also use other GIS information like natural gas pipelines, railroads, or railroad crossings, major transportation corridors, or even just the map itself, and knowledge of the local area to help locate the emission source. A next step would be to use the caller's description of the odor, such as window cleaner or rotten eggs or whatever, or as in this case, we'll use the reported bleach odor and search for potential chlorine sources. The system filters to the Tier 2 facilities with chlorine in their inventory. We can use the facility's contact data to establish if they have a chemical release. Once the emission source is located, we can launch the worst case or alternate case scenarios or a predefined scenario from the system's scenario library. This will produce initial hazard zones to work with until more information becomes available. The output can be shared with the Emergency Operations Center to plan a safe approach to the incident, identify protective action distances and zones that could be used for shelter-in-place or evacuation decisions, or for public notification. This concludes the topic for today's brief, live odor complaint investigation. Please consider subscribing, and we'll see you at the next CERES brief. Thank you.